In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one editing app that beats CapCut for creating videos. This app is actually very good when you're thinking of creating short videos, and I think is one of the best because it doesn't have watermarks and it doesn't have some of the issues. You don't need to pay any money for anything while using this app. With so many issues with CapCut, people are really looking for alternative to be able to replace CapCut, and I think this new editing app, which I want to introduce you, is actually one of the best when you are thinking of creating your short videos and not using CapCut. This software is actually the best, and I'll say I would like you to give it a try. So without further ado, I don't like to waste your time. Let's dive into today's video. So one of the first things which you want to do is to go to Play Store and type Edits by Instagram. This is a particular app that I've tried, and I've seen that while creating shorts or creating any kind of short videos, either for your TikTok, for your Instagram, for your Facebook, like your Reels, or for YouTube Shorts, this app is very simple with simple features and editing features, and is almost similar to CapCut, but this is more easier. Anyone, even though you don't know much about editing, with this particular one, you can just use it either ways. It's very simple to understand. So without further ado, let's go. So one of the first things which we want to do is to go to Play Store and type Edits by Instagram, and it's going to bring up this app. So now once you download this app, the next thing which you want to do is to start creating with this particular app. And this app has some interface whereby you can be able to get inspiration, that you can watch reels, and to also give you an analytics whereby you can be able to see the videos in which you are making, like the how many views in which you've got on your Instagram. That's on your Instagram reels. It will give you analytics of these things. And apart from the analytics, if you want to use it to create videos, like short videos for your YouTube channel, you just need to go to creating new project, and that is where I'm going to explain everything, how you can be able to use this app, and you will get to see how simple this app really is. One of the first thing which you want to do is to click on this plus sign, which where you're going to select the image or the video in which you want to use. We've selected this particular one. This is how the video looks like. So with this video we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you everything, and this is something we call noise cancellation. It can reduce the noise background on the particular video. You can either adjust it or increase it, either ways. It helps for noise cancellation to remove background noise. So we can either increase it or reduce it, and each adjustment has its own effect. Now the next thing which we want to do is to be able to use all these tools in which you can see at the down of the video. Let's show what all these tools works for. Now once you select the video, you can see it. So the first thing which you want to do is to select an audio. It has sounds, then text. You can see voice. The voice, that's voiceover when you want to do voiceover. Then we also have another one, caption, when you want to do caption or you want to do translate either audio or video. So this is the caption. Then the next one is overlay. You can add overlay to your videos just like the way you do on CapCut. This is overlay. Let me show you an example. Now we need to select an image. This image can just be an overlay. For CapCut it's quite different, but you can see how simple this particular one is. You can just pick it and keep it to the adjustments in which you want. This is how it looks like. But once we are doing real work, you can do different adjustments, increase the size, reduce the size. The next one is sound effects. Sound effects is like it gives different sound. Like when you want to, when you're making a video, you want to add clap or maybe gunshot or something. These effects really helps. Now let's try something else. Let's come to remove background. This particular effect help to remove background. You can see the image, the background will be removed from this particular one. So it can either be an image or a video. You can use this feature to be able to remove background just like CapCut background remover, but this particular one is overlay. So I use this video or this picture as an overlay. Then next one is this particular one. You can add different things. These are just simple things in which you can use to be able to create a video to your taste. So you can see how it looks like. This is cut out. I can even decide to add green screen while I'm talking right now. I can also do recording, just record, and I can split the screen, increase the volume, increase the speed, do green screen. This is the green screen. I can do record while also talking about the video. You can see all this reaction video. These are some of the things in which people do. You can just select a video and do a reaction, then increase the brightness, the adjustments, that's the color layout. You can do any of the adjustments in which you want to do. Then also select effect in which you want, simple effect, boost effect. You get to see all these things. So all these things are some of the things in which people use for their videos on just like CapCut. But for this particular one, it's very easier. These are the effects. You can select any of these effects for your videos. Then the next one is this one, extract audio. You can see it over there. You can also replace, split, you can duplicate. All these things are just simple features in which you can use to make your short videos to stand out, to look very good compared to some of these things in which you see out there. So, and another good thing about this particular software, this particular app, is the fact that you can export without watermark. And I find this very interesting. It's very good when you're using something, you get the best quality, and you can also export without watermark. So this is how it looks. Then you can now rename your project. This is how you can do it. It's just at the top. You just click new project. It will just bring up the name. Then this is what I'm using. YouTube Gold. That is the title in which I want to use for this particular video. Just showing people how you can be able to edit your video. So this is another very good app that is good for your short videos. You can use it to create short. Then once you are done, you just export the video. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumb up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a blessed day.